Shifen Waterfall. Best waterfall in Taiwan? Maybe. Best waterfall in Taipei? Definitely. I'm starting off today's video here in Ruifang. It's raining quite hard, but today the plan is to check out a bunch of different places in this area. So we're gonna check out Cat Village, Shifen Old Street, Shifen Waterfall. It depends on the weather. It's raining quite a lot. But right now we're having a breakfast here. Elias, all know Elias, is famous for his Teapot Mountain hike. From here, you just walk along the top of the mountain. Just make sure. Oh shit! Francois has been in a lot of videos, he's been everywhere. Jane, I don't know if you actually know that you've seen her, but she is in the footage from Da'an Park. She was there when we flew the drone for the first time. Right. I think you all have seen her, but you don't know that it's Jane. And then my girlfriend Tiffany, of course, who has been swimming in the rivers.
All over Taiwan.
Swimming in the rivers all over Taiwan.
Ask me what I'm drinking.
What are you drinking, Tiffany?
真火山药液 Hazelnut Japanese yam Jacob's here.
Yeah, me too.
What? It was great.
We're done with breakfast. We had a super long breakfast right now. Waiting for the rain to stop. Still raining, but we cannot waste any more of the day. We have a lot of stuff to show you guys. So we're gonna try to get a cab and head over to Cat Village. It's gonna be the first stop of this Ruifang area trip. We'll see how it goes.
The cat area, you can see a little statue of the cat. But it's raining, so I don't know if the cats will be out today.
So it's called, in English, it's called Monkey Cat Village, because before there were monkeys, now they're cats. Now it's raining, so now there's nothing. But so you explain where there are no cats because it's raining.
Yes, so I mean, it's because a long time ago there was a cave and there was a lot of monkeys. So the ho comes from monkeys, but after a while, maybe there's no more monkeys.
This place is great if you're a cat lover. Even if you don't care that much, it's still quite cool to see all these cats everywhere. However, don't bring a dog to this place.
He's so focused to trying to ignore you.
So stuff is searching. Elias, what do you think so far?
I really like all the cats. It's like heaven for cats.
Yeah. Even though it's raining, they don't try to hide. And they are very people-friendly cats. Like I can fondle them and play with them, no problem. Does anyone here want a coffee? Yes. In Taipei we actually have a few cat cafes where they have like one small cafe with a couple of cats. Here they have a whole cat village, but we're still gonna try and find a coffee shop. Have a long lane of coffee shops and restaurants. In the cafes they have cats. Outside the cafes they also have cats. It's cats everywhere. Okay, so we just had the longest coffee break ever, trying to wait for the rain to stop. Still raining though. This cat village is on two sides of the train station, and one side has the cats, the other side does not. And as Elias mentioned earlier, this whole place is actually like, you can feel that it's built really with the cats in mind. And everyone is super friendly. The cats are super friendly. After 2 p.m. it's gonna start to rain a lot less. It's gonna start to rain a lot less. You can say that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's gonna start to rain a lot less. But that's not true, because it's raining more. It's starting to rain more. But we need to push on with our day here. We have been here maybe a little too long. Had a great time though, there's no rush. But we do have a lot of things we want to do before sunset. So now, since we're tired of all this water, we are gonna head to
Shifen Waterfall.
Other old streets, Shifen Old Street also has a lot of stuff. You can eat, you can drink, you can have toys. They have their traditional squid, Taiwanese sausage, fruit stands, some small souvenir shops. I think we're gonna go through it quite quickly. We do have a lot of stuff to do. We have the Shifen Old Street. We have a suspension bridge, gonna show you real quick. And then we're gonna see if we can find a waterfall. I think that sure, we could have had a better day here. It's been raining literally the entire day, but you kind of get used to it after living in Taiwan. Like, I still recommend just head out during the weekends, just head out with friends, explore some stuff. A rainy day with friends outside of Taipei is better than a rainy day alone in Taipei. So we're just gonna continue checking out this place. We have the bridge behind me here. We do have a waterfall left. See if we can find it. So even though it's raining like crazy, that does not stop all these people to come out here to send up a sky lantern and just have a great time. So we're fighting with both umbrellas and sky lanterns right now, trying to get through everything here. You get used to it. After living in Taiwan for a couple of years, you kind of get used to having people everywhere. It's just a little bit more annoying when it's raining. And then due to the height difference, I have other people's umbrellas like here, so it's okay. Isn't it weird how after you've been holding an umbrella for a very long time, you just don't realize that it stopped raining like minutes ago and you don't have to keep your umbrella anymore?
Oui.
Do you also think it's weird that like right after it has been raining,
Yeah.
people don't realize and they still...
I hate those people.
And
They are the worst piece of... I hate those people. I mean, like, it's not raining, right? No, so like, actually, there is one small reason, is that my camera here is not waterproof at all. And it's still a bit raining from under the trees, and like once in a while, one drop. You know, my excuse.
Just admit that you did not realize it's not
No,
raining.
I was, but I was like, still... Okay, fine. Okay, let's go.
We're getting very close to the waterfall right now. You can hear it in the background, I think. And we actually passed the waterfall. So we walked along it on the top, and now we're gonna go to some observation spots and going down to the bottom of the waterfall. So gonna get you all a good view. And for the first time, ironically, we're at the waterfall, but it's not raining. So arguably there was more water in Houtong Cat Village and Shifen area than at the waterfall. And this waterfall, absolutely mind-blowing. Take a look. We're here at Shifen Waterfall. Now it's even stopped raining, but the day has come to an end already. So basically we're just gonna go through all these places again, head home. So I assume you're all familiar with the rules of the sky lanterns, but if you're not, then here's a quick recap of the most important things you need to know. Then step 1, you write your dreams and wishes on the side of the sky lantern. You lit a little fire underneath, and then the hot air will make it rise together with your hopes and dreams. And then once it reaches the sky, all your hopes and dreams will be fulfilled. But if the sky lanterns go down and crashes, so does your dreams. So we're back here at Shifen, where they're sending up the sky lanterns still. I think this is a great time for us to say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna try to head back to Taipei. I'm not really sure how we're gonna do that, if we're gonna do bus, train, or cab, but we're just gonna get home, nothing more interesting to see. So we're gonna say bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this video. Actually, a lot of people have asked me why they don't get the notifications when I post out new videos. And that's because you need to also click that little bell. So not only do you need to subscribe, you also need to hit that bell to be notified right away when new videos come up. So you do that, I go back home, continue to make more videos, and see you all next week.
OK， 来，全部下去，一手你，一手你，摸盖，小心摸盖哦。来，OK，